Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful winter landscape painting in simple 3 steps. So let's get started. Now let's see the requirements of the materials in this painting. The first step of the painting is the background. So to paint the background I need a very less vibrant cobalt blue color. So here I mix the color black and blue to the color to make the color little less vibrant. So still the color remains same but only less vibrant. So here I apply the color. So in the entire canvas we are going to apply the same color. Sometimes in painting we need a color that is less vibrant than the actual hue. So in that case we can add the color neutral gray so the color become less vibrant but still the same. And now let's paint some trees in the distance in this background. To paint the distant trees we need a very dark shade of blue. So here you can see I mix the color black to the blue to have this very dark shade of blue. Still it's the blue dark shade of blue but it looks like black. And first I am going to apply the color in the shape of the trees. So later I am going to blend the color to this background so that we can have an effect like the trees are at distance. In that case we have to first apply the color in the shape of the forest, then take a new brush that is dry, completely dry, and just merge the color to the background like I am doing here. So in that case you can have a very blurry effect of image, so it creates some depth in that painting. In the beginning, making the blurry effort in acrylic painting seems little difficult because we know acrylic paint tends to dry really fast. So after some practice, it will become very easy for you. So then you can enjoy this process. Now let's jump into the second step. So in the second step we are going to paint the snow in the branches. So first we need to paint the snow, later we can add the branches in the painting. So here you can see I am using the color very light blue. So here I mix the color white to the blue to have this light shade of blue. So here we are using this color for our snow. So first we need to block some area for the snow, later we are going to add some branches here. You can use your flat brush or filbert brush, or you can also use your regular round brush to paint the snow. This painting idea was also suggested by one of my followers in Instagram. They asked me to paint a winter landscape painting. I love to paint winter landscape painting. It is really simple and it is really interesting to do painting, especially the winter landscape painting. So I always choose winter landscape painting whenever I feel down or whenever I have time to paint something, and it's really interesting because the colors from the blue family is really cool and I really enjoy the process. And let me know in the comment section if you are someone who likes the winter landscape painting, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And now back to the painting, you can see I am adding a very light shade of blue only on some area in this snow. So here this is the highlight point of this snow area. Now let's paint some branches. So I am using my detailing brush to paint some tiny branches. Now let's add some snow on the branches. Here you can see I use the same detailing brush to add some snow on these branches. Now let's paint the area around the lamp. So here I use the color light pink, and this area will be very bright and vibrant as the lamp is here. So we need to add very vibrant color. So here you can see I add the color pink, and later here I'm adding the color light purple. I'm going to blend these two colors, but in the center we need this vibrant pink. And here you can see I use the same cobalt blue color mixed with a little purple. So here I'm mixing the color and I'm going to apply the color on this entire surface. This area in this painting is really important because this area is the foreground of this painting. We are going to place the lamp here, so the entire focus will be on this area. So we need to give many vibrant colors here. So now you can also see I am adding again the light pink color, and here you can see the reflection of the light on the snow. Here I use the same pink color for the reflection. So first I decided to paint the lamp in this painting. Later I changed the plan because we need to give the vibrant color around this lamp. So I thought first paint this area, later we can paint the lamp. Now we are in the final step to paint the lamp. Now first paint the outline of the lamp. So here I use my detailing brush and use the color black. So first I decided to paint the outside of this lamp. And now it's time to paint the frame. So here I use the color brown mixed with orange. So we have this dark shade of orange. Reason why I give the color is this frame is too near to the flame, so it obviously reflects the light from the flame. So here I add the color orange here. So I need a very dark shade of orange, so I mixed a little bit of brown to this color. Now let's paint the candle. So first I use the color red. So after I'm going to apply the color orange. So in the top I'm going to add the color yellow, and I mix the yellow with a little white to have a very vibrant shade of yellow. So I'm going to blend all these colors together. So now you can see this is the final result of our candle. And now it's time to paint the flame. First I use the color yellow. So once the yellow color is completely dry, I am going to add a little white on it. Now let's finish this lamp painting by adding this frame. And we can also add another frame behind this candle. And also we need to paint the reflection from the flame. That is really important. That makes the lamp really realistic and beautiful. If you are new to my channel, I am Rexana. I love to paint with acrylics. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners. If you find my tutorial is really interesting and helpful, then please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me in my Instagram to know all the regular updates about my paintings. Now let's paint the area around this flame. So here I use the same light pink color. So we can apply the color around this lamp so it looks so realistic, and now we can see the difference in this painting. This is the final look of our painting. I really love this painting, and let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step tutorial. Until then, have fun with colors.